Hey, welcome back to the channel. So on today's episode, we're going to be putting a wheel bearing in the Escape. Actually, it's going to be the driver's side. Might be a little high. Let me go down just a little bit. Well, let me go down just a little bit. I think I'm a little bit too high here. Just a tad too high. We'll put her about right there. About right there is good. I'm going to take the brake off. This bracket's got to hang the brake up there with a zip tie. Now we're going to take this bracket off right here. I think those are 18s, maybe. I can't remember, 16 or 18s. We're going to take this whole bracket off right here. Right there. In the rear, there is a pinch. There's a pinch point there. Drop the brake shoe. Oh no, the world is coming to an end. Runaway nut! That would be my nut running away. We took this nut off here. We had to apply a little bit of heat to it. Now we're going to come back here. Let me put some light in back here. I'm going to take this one off. It's a pinch joint. I'm going to take this one off. That's another pinch joint. And we're going to slide her off of there. Take our ABS sensor out. We took the heat shield off so we can beat on this here without making a mistake and accidentally hitting the heat shield. And we need to take this Torx out to take the sensor out. It's the smallest. Maybe the batteries ain't dead. That bolt's warped. You see that? No, I didn't see. Your tracks today. Hopefully we don't smack this, but we're gonna have to smack on this right here to unmarry this. We're gonna have divorce. We're gonna get a divorce from here. The husband is coming out of the wife. Got a little bit of lubrication there.
What are you doing,
the wife wants some lubrication. How you feeling there, sir? Feeling all right? You got a divorce, didn't you?